So guys, ako nga pala si Eman Nieto at andito ako ngayon sa inyo para magbahagi ng onting kaalaman tungkol sa tamarind tree or sampalok tree in Tagalog. And bago ang lahat, ito ang isang itsura ng tamarind tree or sampalok tree. Fun fact everyone, did you know that tamarind tree can grow up to 24 meters tall and has a lifespan of over 100 years? Alright guys, I'm back and I'm here to share some little information about tamarind to you. Tamarind has a scientific name called Tamarindus indica. It's a leguminous tree bearing edible fruit that is indigenous to tropical Africa and neutralized in Asia. The genus Tamarindus monotypic, meaning that it contains only this species, belongs to the family of Fabaceae. Tamarind tree produces brown-like pod fruits that contains a sweet, tangy pulp which is used in cuisine around the world. The pulp is also used in traditional medicine and as a metal polish. The tree woods can be used for woodworking, and the tamarind seeder can be extracted from the seeds. Tamarind seeds' tender young leaves are used in South India and Filipino cuisine. Because tamarind has multiple uses, it is cultivated around the world in tropical and subtropical zones. Being rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, tamarind has been shown to decrease LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol, thereby lowering the risk of atherosclerosis.